Hey, it is your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So today I am bringing y'all a brow tutorial, and y'all probably like, sis, how is this a brow tutorial? You got on a whole face of makeup. I know. This look will be out soon, so stay tuned. And y'all already know, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you want to become a MVP. So I'm just hopping right into this video, and I'm taking this angled like liner brush from Carity, and I will be using my Anastasia dip brow to do this brow tutorial today. And this is one of my favorite products. It's in the shade chocolate if you are curious. So yeah, as you can see, I already did one side, but I like to underline or outline the bottom of my brow first. So that is what I am doing, and this is just so I can ensure that they are even, but sometimes this doesn't even work for me because y'all be seeing sometimes my brows be frenemies, like they do not be liking each other. But yeah, so I'm going to try and get my brows as even as possible, and this stuff really helps. I apologize if you can hear my dog. I believe there may be someone outside that she is barking at, so don't mind that. But yeah, so the next step is to take a spoolie and actually brush down my brow hairs because it helps me not make my brows like too thick. So yeah, so I'm just brushing them down, and then I'm going to take my brow product and I'm going to take it about 3/4 of the way to the front of my brow, and I'm going to start outlining the top and filling it in slowly. So so I just like to shape my brows to my liking, and then I just fill them in, and yeah, so I just keep working on until they're the shape that I like. So now that they're the shape that I like, I go in with my spoolie and start to blend out the brow pomade in the front because we don't want no harsh lines for our brows, like none at all. I mean, unless we're doing like the little brow hairs in the front, but for the most part you want everything to be blended, and that is what I'm doing now. I'm doing like little brush strokes, but what I do is I still go back in and blend it out. So yeah, we just want everything to look nice and soft and blended. Y'all like, this brow do not look soft. The front of it does. The back is meant to look harsh. But yeah, so I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side because I mean, so y'all can see I'm just outlining the top, and then I'm gonna start filling it in, which I mean, it doesn't really matter. Well, I don't want to say it doesn't matter if you fill it in before. I mean, you shouldn't fill it in before you actually outline the top of your brow, but you can fill it in as you're going. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, and then you can see I'm just working to get the shape that I like. I'm trying to get them even because that's always a struggle. So y'all can see your girl be concentrating. Like, it takes me so long to do my brows, like not even kidding. Before I edited this video, it was probably like 20 minutes long. So you can see I went ahead and blended out the front, and then I'm adding more product where I feel it's needed, and then I'll do like my little brush strokes or my little my little brush strokes. So yeah, you can see I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna go back in with my spoolie and just soften it up. So oh, them brows looking good. So I'm about to take my Makeup Revolution concealers in the shade C8 and C11. I like to use C8 on the top and then C8 on the bottom and C11 on top. And then I have this brush from BH Cosmetics, and I believe the set is still on their website. If it is, I'll definitely link it down below. But yeah, it was pretty inexpensive, and I had these brushes for years. Like, I've had these brushes for so long. And this brush has just never let me down. Like, you can go on my older videos, like my really, really old videos, where I was literally sitting in front of my window filming. Like, you can go to those videos and see that I was using this brush then. I didn't know how to do my eyebrows really good, but your girl was still using this brush, and this brush has just never let me down. So you can see that first I like to do the top of my brows, because that color is darker and I don't want the lighter color to go like around my brows at the top until I actually do my concealer on my forehead. And then even with that, I don't drag the concealer all the way out across my brows. I don't know, it just makes for a more seamless look. So yeah, and then I like to go back in with my eyebrow brush and just clean up wherever I need to. And y'all like, girl, the concealer supposed to clean it up. I know, but sometimes you make a mistake, so it's good to have that brush. And then I don't add any extra product to the brush. I just use whatever product is already on the brush, because if you add more product, it's probably going to be a mess. So now I'm just repeating the same thing on the other side. And then don't mind me, I was watching a video because the girls sometimes, I don't say, I wouldn't say I'll be bored, but your girl be trying to multitask while she doing her makeup. Like, when somebody posts a video, you gotta watch it. Like, Aaliyah's face, that's who I was watching. That is my sis. Aaliyah, she is so bomb, and she is just so real. Like, I really love her. Like, if you ain't hip, then go be hip. Go subscribe to her channel, because she is just so bomb, and she is just so real. Like, I love her. Like, I keep repeating the same thing. Anyways, we're gonna keep going with this brow tutorial. But yeah, so I am cleaning up the bottom of my brow, and I like to start at the arch of my brow and then go down to the tail, and then I go and do the front of my brow. So as you can see, your girl is focused, and yeah. So now you can see I'm about to do the front, and I don't really like drag the brow. I don't really drag the brush across. I like to do like small strokes until I get to where I'm meant to be. And then I may drag the brush a little bit, but not really. So yeah, you can see that that brow is just looking so pretty. It looks really good. So we just repeating this step on the same. Y'all, I cannot talk today. Don't mind me. But we're just repeating this step on the other brow, starting at the tail, or starting at the arch, and then dragging the product down to the tail. And then we're gonna do the front. I don't know. I just feel like the tail and the arch is like really what determines if your brow looks the same. So I like to get that out the way first before I actually do the front, because I feel like when I don't have any product on my brows, I can really see like what I have to work with. So yeah, and as you can see, they're looking pretty even, like pretty even. That's kind of surprising. Like, I'm like, don't let me get on here and my brows acting up when I'm trying to film a tutorial for y'all, and I got these wonky brows, and y'all like, sis, this tutorial ain't it. How you gonna be giving us a tutorial and you don't even know how to do your eyebrows? You got two different eyebrows on your face. But yeah, so they looking pretty good. So I am just going ahead and cleaning it up, and then I'm gonna take this Sedona lace brush, and I'll make sure that I link the brushes down below. But Sedona lace brushes are so bomb, like, and they are so pretty too. Like, do you see the pink and the black bristles? That is so freaking cute. But yeah, so I'm just blending out this concealer using this brush, and if they're still on the website, because I got these brushes a long time ago also, I'll make sure to link them down below. But I believe Sedona Lace went up on the prices. I believe they went up on prices for their brushes. But I don't blame them, because these brushes is so bomb. Like, if you ain't got no Sedona Lace brushes, I'm gonna need you to, first of all, get your life, because it's running away from you. And second of all, go copy some, because sis, you are missing out. So yeah, I'll be sure to link them down below if they're still on the website. But yeah, I'm just blending it out, and as you can see, the brows is done, and they looking good. Like, oh, period, period. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.